Hi, I'm Alex Shuker, CTO at VigorAP UK and Ireland, and today I've got our VigorAP 1060C ceiling access point. This is a Wi-Fi 6 mesh product, and I'd like to show you what's in the box. First impressions of the box itself though is that it's really good that it's such a small form factor. It means you can fit 3 or 4 of these in a rucksack, makes it easier for getting to a site for installs. So let's take a look at inside. So we've got the quick start guide here with information on how to install it and explanations of the panels and other bits and pieces. Then let's take a look at the product itself. It's quite a heavy product. It's because of the metal here. It's just for the cooling. Yeah, this is the 1060C. It's a 4x4 access point, so that means it does 4 transmission and 4 receive aerials, and it has a 9th aerial inside as well that is for Wi-Fi analytics and for security scanning. It's AX 3600, which means it has a total wireless performance of 3.6 gigabits in total capacity. And this is the front panel where there's some LEDs here to show if it's turned on. And then if we look at the rear of it, we've got the cooling, the metal cooling here, and here is the recess here for where all the ports are put into. So we've got a reset button here, power, and then a LAN PoE port. So you would normally power it via PoE over the LAN. It's a 2.5 gig Ethernet port, but you can power it separately via a power supply, but there isn't one included in the box because normally you would use it with a PoE switch, but you can get those separately. There's here a QR code. This is for using the VigorAP wireless app. You can scan the QR code for the initial setup. So let's take a look at what else is in the box. So in here we've got the RJ45 cable, and this pack here has all of the stuff for ceiling and wall mounting it. So let's take a look at what's in here. So we've got these 3 mounting plates, so they're for different types of surfaces. So this one is for just wall mounting it on a hard ceiling or plasterboard, and if I just show you how you slot it in, so if we turn that round, so this goes in, and there's a little groove here that clicks once it's fully in place. So if we put that in, and then that's securely in, and then you've got screws that would be secured to the wall. So if I just remove that. The other 2 are for different types of installation. So they're for suspended ceilings. They're different thicknesses for the bar. So the steel frame, you would clip it in, and then to fully secure it, there's this cable tie that you would loop round in here to secure it in. And then there's also the screws and fixings. So these are for into plasterboard or for into a hard wall. And then this one is for wall mounting. So it's a wall mount bracket. So we would put a screw in here in these keyholes. So just slot it in that way. So that's everything that's in the box. I hope you found that really useful and informative, and thank you very much for watching.